It's recording. Everybody, my name is Yoinner Jiménez. Today I'm going to make a presentation of phonetic symbols, and I'm going to relate the symbol, its pronunciation. English language, there are different sounds for vowels, so you must love the sound if you want to speak English. To improve your English learning skill, you must learn to pronounce correctly. For that reason, it's important that you know the phonetic symbols. These are the phonetic symbols for vowels. A. You can find in words like hot, in words like love or daughter. In words like say, in words like hit or receive. In words like him or being. Other symbols being, E and A, have or be. You can find in words like love or black. In words sofa or about. In words like book or coat. In words like burn or journey. In words like these are the phonetic symbols for consonant. In words like dime or riddle, like worship or auntie, like value or of, like staff or phone. In word like a big or in word like a pen snip. Good. In word like a gap, like a quiet or back. In word like a thing or with in word like a brother or this. In word like eyes, like eyes or or possess. In word like police or ocean. A beige or vision. Or like March or chapter. In word like joy or change. In word like high or happy. In word like wrong or operate. you. A word like yes or yummy. A word like mumble or some. Excuse me. A word like or no. I forget. Good. Thanks or ring. O. L. O. Excuse me. O. Like follow or and w. And in word like or will. Thanks. It was presentation. I wait. Thanks very much.